Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that offer remote jobs. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, GigStatic. GigStatic pays people to review lines of code. They pay £25 for a 30-minute code review. You can think of it like Shake, but for developers, computer science, or even data science students and professionals. It's not like a Twitter website because you don't only deal with high school and college code, but you also review commercial code for GigStatic clients. Getting paid to review code may be an excellent opportunity for those with some experience in coding. When you register, you choose languages you have experience in. They even have a less than a year category. And please choose the right level because the problems you'll get will be based on your experience level. So if you're a student or someone still learning to code, don't feel intimidated and think this opportunity is only for professional developers. Anyone who has some level of knowledge in programming can apply. To join, you must first create a profile and do code challenges to demonstrate your skills. The code challenges do not take that long. Once you have passed this challenge, you get access to projects in your level. GigStatic also offers developers a chance to find a permanent job through them, which is something you should not take lightly. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that someone got a job through a similar site I shared a while ago, and this company is UK based. They are paying her 100,000 rands per month, which is about £5,000, and it's a lot of money for someone staying in South Africa and working online. On top of that, they sent her a laptop, a monitor, and a car allowance. So the benefits are insane. I've noticed that some of you only prefer direct opportunities. Sometimes I share platforms like this one where you can find both direct jobs or gigs and also indirect opportunities or permanent jobs. But unfortunately, most people never explore the option that requires an extra level of work, especially if it involves uploading a CV. But then when I post someone's screenshots on the community tab, suddenly some people want to know the exact company or the exact role. That's not how it works. We are all different and we all have different skills and experiences. I didn't even know she was going to get the job, nor did I know the company that she's working for. All I shared was the website with different opportunities. She found the right client, now her employer. The same thing happened to the guy who's now a junior manager at Invisible Technologies. I can't remember recommending Invisible Technologies per se. However, I did share websites with different jobs, and Invisible Technology was one of the companies that posted jobs there. Such opportunities are only reserved for people who are not lazy to go the extra mile. If you're watching this or listening to this and you know you have specific skills, experience, or a degree, please start taking online jobs seriously. Don't only apply to gig-based jobs, but also pay attention to indirect opportunities that can lead to permanent employment. Number 2, Kokoroko. Kokoroko is a marketplace that specializes in remote customer support jobs worldwide. They thoroughly vet every agent featured on their platform. You must fill in your experience, education, and skills. But before applying for individual jobs, you will be required to do a specific assessment to test if you have the necessary skills for the project. They pay monthly based on the number of hours you worked. The client determines the pay, but Kokoroko emphasize ethics. They ensure you are compensated fairly despite your location. As a customer support agent, your job will be to link your company with its clients, talking to different customers via phone or email, live chat, etc. One thing I noticed here, especially for English jobs, you may see customer support associates and think you need years of experience, but when you click, you will see 1 year experience. I don't know why they write this because when I see associates, I always think 5 years plus. So please make sure to click each job you're interested in before you conclude that you are not qualified. For example, this job says customer support associate, but when you scroll down, they want only 1 year experience in customer related service, which isn't a lot of experience. For this job, you'll be working 35 hours per week, so this is more of a full-time job. Plus, it's European time zone, which isn't far off if you're in South Africa or any other country in Africa. Look at these requirements. Nothing about a degree or 5 years experience. Anyone with some experience in customer service can apply. You will have more opportunities if you know other languages like French, Dutch, etc. Please share this opportunity or websites with others. Number 3, DiagnoseUS. This company pays you to analyze real patient cases. They pay anywhere between $1 to $100 per study. High-paying studies are suitable for people in health. Professionals and students can be doctors, nurses, pharmacists, etc. When you scroll down on their website, you will see that even professional nurses are participating in these studies. It's a great side hustle and a quick way to learn and earn. DiagnoseUS have have different ways in which you can make money. You can participate in students and professionals medical competitions. They may put up a case of someone with a heart disease or a broken bone x-ray scan, and you must read and interpret the scan or follow the instructions. You also get paid to contribute to artificial medical intelligence. Every industry is trying to improve its technology, and they need real humans to contribute. They use these contributions to build robust AI, making future diagnosis much easier with little human interaction. Studies show that in the first half of 2022, $3 billion was invested in improving health AI. The more studies you participate in, the higher up you go, and on top of the standard compensation, you can win cash prizes every once in a while. These are some of the studies: clinical lesions, $80, quality of life sciences, $100, white blood cell cycles, $20, and so on. They post new cases weekly. If you're in the health field, I highly recommend you check out this app. It's free money for people who are already interested in such, and you don't need a laptop. You can do all these studies on their app. If you are not in this field, you can still get some studies that pay under $5. Number 4, ModSquad. ModSquad is a global platform for content moderation, social media, virtual assistants, and community management jobs. They are constantly looking for mods interested in working remotely as content moderators, social media managers, etc. When you become a mod, you'll have access to different projects, and you choose the task you want to work on and set your own schedule. Depending on the project, some of the duties you may be required to perform include managing a community forum, curating content for a business page, providing support via email or phone. Of course, you won't do all these things in one project, and each project will specify your duties. For most projects, you get paid $10 to $15 per hour, and projects usually last for days to weeks. They pay monthly via PayPal, and you have no threshold to reach to be able to cash out. Even if you do one project, you still get paid. The application process isn't that easy. It's a bit long, and they also do background check, but only after you've been accepted. If you are interested in any of these companies, please apply as soon as possible. See you on my next one.